Can non-smart devices be automated?
Yes, you can automate many traditional or non-smart devices. With a few simple gadgets like smart plugs and adapters, it's possible to control things like lamps, fans, or coffee makers remotely or on a schedule. This opens up a world of convenience, even for older appliances that don't have built-in smart features.
How do smart plugs work?
Smart plugs are a popular way to automate non-smart devices. You simply plug your appliance into the smart plug, then plug that into your wall outlet. Using a smartphone app or voice assistant, you can turn your devices on or off, set schedules, and sometimes even monitor energy use, all without changing the actual appliance.
What kinds of appliances can be automated?
Many simple appliances can be automated with smart plugs or adapters. Devices like lamps, coffee makers, fans, and certain heaters work well, especially if they turn on automatically when plugged in. However, appliances that rely on manual switches or digital controls may need extra steps or may not work perfectly with automation.
Are there affordable solutions?
Absolutely, many smart plugs and adapters are budget-friendly. You can find reliable options for around $20 or less. Sometimes bundles offer even better value. These affordable solutions make it easy to experiment with home automation, turning everyday devices into smart ones without a big investment.
Is installation complicated?
Setting up smart plugs and adapters is usually very simple. Most devices just require you to download an app, plug them into your outlet, and follow a few quick steps to connect to Wi-Fi. No rewiring or technical expertise is needed, making it accessible for almost anyone wanting to upgrade their home.